In this video, we'll discuss about bill discounting and related problems in bill discounting. Before we proceed into problems, we'll see what are the different formulae being used in bill discounting. First one, TD equal to A times NI divided by 1 plus NI. Here TD is nothing but a true discount. A is the amount of the bill. N is number of years. I is the interest rate per annum expressed in terms of decimal. Then the next one is banker's discount, which is denoted by BD, and that is calculated as A times N into I, A, N, I being the same whatever I said earlier. Then BG is nothing but banker's gain. Banker's gain is calculated as banker's discount minus true discount. That means we can substitute this A and I and then this true discounts formula, which is A and I divided by 1 plus NI. We may notice that A and I is common in both. So that is being taken out. So you will have 1 minus of 1 by 1 plus NI, which when we take LCM as 1 plus NI, this will turn to be A times NI the whole square divided by 1 plus NI. Then comes the bill amount can also be expressed as P plus P times NI. This P times NI is nothing but the simple interest. So here we have P times 1 plus NI. This P is called the present value of the bill amount. So the same thing is said here. TD is true discount, BD is banker's discount, BG is banker's gain, A is amount of bill, N is time period in years, I is interest rate per annum, and then P is present value. Now let us move on to the first problem related to bill discounting. It is the true discount on a bill due in 6 months at 8% per annum is rupees 40. Means true discount is given. Bill amount is not given, but the period is given as 6 months and the interest rate is given as 8% per annum. We need to find out what is the amount of the bill. So by using the formula of true discount, we can calculate that. True discount is given as 40 rupees. N is given as 6 months, which can be expressed as 6 by 12 times of year. I mean, month you are converting it into year, which is nothing but 0.5 year. And I is 8%, so it is 0.08 per annum in decimal. And we know true discount is A and I divided by 1 plus NI, and this true discount is already given as 40. And we are substituting the values of I, N, and A we have to find. So A times 0.5 times into 0.08 divided by 1 plus 0.5 into 0.08, which we get it as A times 0.04 divided by 1 plus 0.04, which when we simplify, we get by cross multiplying 40 into 1.04 is equal to A times 0.04, which means A is 1040. That is the solution for this particular problem. Let us move on to the next problem. Problem number 2. A bill for rupees 2060 is due in 6 months. Calculate the difference between banker's discount and true discount, the rate of interest being 6% per annum. What are all given? Bill amount is given as 2060 and the period is given as 6 months. 6 months can be expressed in terms of year as 0.5 year, and interest rate is given as 0.06 per annum. And we know true discount is A NI divided by 1 plus NI. Substituting the relevant values, we get the true discount as rupees 60. And then banker's discount, we know it is A into N into I. That is the numerator of this, which is 2060 into 0.03, which we will get 61.8. We need to find out the difference between banker's discount and true discount, which is nothing but the difference between these two values, 61.8 minus 60. We get rupees 1.80 as the difference. Let us move on to the third problem. The time in which the true discount on amount rupees 550 is rupees 50 at 4% per annum is what? That means we are supposed to find out the time period Amount is 550 given, and true discount is given as 50, and interest rate is given as 0.04. So that is what is written. We are supposed to find out the value of n. Again, using the same formula of true discount, we know true discount is given as 50 and the amount is given as 550, and we need to find out the period, which is n. We are substituting the rest of the values. Then when we do cross multiplication, we get 50 times 1 plus 0.04 times n is 550 into 0.04 gives you 22. So it is 22 times n. Simplifying that, we get 50 plus 2n is equal to 22n, which means 50 is equal to 20n, or n is 50 by 20, which is nothing but 2.5 years. Let us move on to the next question. Problem number 4. A bill of rupees 1020 is due in 6 months. True discount in rupees at 4% interest per annum is what? Means bill amount is given, period is given. We are supposed to calculate the true discount. Interest rate is given as 4%. So same formula. True discount is ANI divided by 1 plus NI. We know A is 1020, N is 6 months, which is nothing but 0.5 year, and I is 0.04. We are substituting those values here and we get the true discount as 20 rupees. Let us move on to the next problem 5. If the difference between banker's discount and true discount on a sum due in 3 months at 4% interest per annum is rupees 20, find the amount of bill. So difference between banker's discount and true discount is nothing but banker's gain. So that is given as 20, and the interest rate is given as 0.04 per annum. Period is given as 3 months, which is nothing but 3 by 12 of an year, and which is expressed as 0.25 year. We are supposed to find the bill amount, which is nothing but A. So we have now NI, because we are calculating this because in the formula NI will be calculated separately. NI the whole square will also be calculated. For that reason, we are calculating this N into I, which is 0.25 into 0.04, which is 0.01. NI the whole square is 0.0001. And banker's gain formula is A times NI the whole square divided by 1 plus NI. For this reason, we have calculated it in advance. So we are substituting the values here. Now, by cross multiplication, we get the A value as rupees 2,02,000.